You are going to love the 2016 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, rear step bumper, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.